Yung sinabi ni Director yun na need ang pending case, gusto be sa batas ng Step Order 5 Series of 2017, siwas tanda sa number 4, new implementing policy and guidelines. C. Despite the pendency of protest against coverage, petition for exemption or exclusion or other regarding implementation, any case, the land acquisition distribution shall continue until all the identified ERBs had been successfully installed on the awarded land unless otherwise suspended by the Secretary through cease disorder or status quo order or by the Supreme Court through temporary restraining order or preliminary injunction. The land acquisition distribution process shall also continue notwithstanding the pendency of the exclusion case. Ito po ang binabayulit ng CAT. They are making reason of alibi. Ito sabi niya na PNP ang nagbigay ng requirements. No, ang sabi nila sa dialogue, it is the issuance of parotorla, the requirements of installation. Hindi sinabi nila sa amin na issuance to the police. No, ang sabi nila, it is the issuance of parotorla memorandum issuance na kami pula ay duman dito. So, gravely violate the agrarian law, the circumvent the law ang nangyari sa requirements of yung installation. Kaya, nagmungkahi po ako rito na i-revoke or nullify the requirements installation, it is unlawful and unconstitutional.